The Simplified editor in WeVideo is the easiest to explore. Start by switching to classic mode from your classroom. Here, you have a lot of options on the left to start with templates or other projects or media. What we want to do is create something new, and we want to create with the Simplified editor. So start by selecting either the full screen editor or Simplified. Obviously, we want Simplified. So this is the Simplified editor dashboard. In this window right here, you can see any media that you've added to an assignment for students. It should show up right there. You have My Media, videos that you can add, images, audio. You just scroll down, select one that you would like, and it'll import. You can see that everything is arranged in categories, and there's a See All option off to the right to get an option for more pictures. Whether I have videos or images, there's a lot to choose from. Audio is also arranged by different categories. My text option here on the left gives me different titles, captions, or special scrolling features that I can edit later. There's also a backgrounds feature. So if I choose videos and I select the plus button, the video is automatically loaded down here in my timeline, and it shows up over here in my preview screen. This is where I can watch my video to see how my editing's going. There's also an option in the corner to make it full screen so I get a more cinematic experience. Now that we've added a video, let's go over and try an image. Select Images and choose the picture you want. You can either click the plus or drag the image to where you want it. Once I have my media listed down here in my timeline, I can select it and change things like the duration, add filters, or I can click Edit and I can layer text or crop a picture. Okay, let's put in some text over this picture. Here is a man in the rain. As with everything else, you can see it shows up in my preview screen, and now I have the option to change my font or the color or any alignment that I would have. I could even come down here to this scrolling bar and change the size. Below my font size is time. Here I can adjust when I want the words to show up over this picture and when I want them to disappear. When I'm done, Save Changes. So now that I have my media, when I select it, you can see that I have Add Transition that shows up right in between them. Select that, and I can make my video a bit more professional by adding a cross zoom or some sort of transition from one video to the next. You can also edit how long this takes. If I'd like to add some audio or music to my video now, I can come up here under my menu and select Audio. I can search by category, or in the Simplified editor, I can select this music note. Now, I can search for whatever kind of music or background noise that I would like. I can preview it, loop it right here, and then finally click Add to my track. Now when I click Add, I get a new icon over here on my music note that tells me that I have a background track. Another useful feature of the video editor is to select the microphone here. I can click record and then record narration of myself talking over the video like I'm doing with this one. So now that we've explored all of the features and we've added a couple things into our video, we want to select Finish and give our video a title. Make sure that this is specific for your students so that it's easily organized and you can find it later. When I have my name selected, it'll bring me here to this final editing window where I can choose a thumbnail or a destination that I would like to share it, such as YouTube or a link. If it's a classroom video, it'll automatically be added to the teacher's projects. If I want to share it in another way, make sure that you export and then share the link.